us now meet the starters. First, for our Senate Lady Defenders. Let's start with our setter, number 2, Jenny Kalay. Opposite hitter and her team captain at number 3, Jamie Dilitili. Outside hitter, number 11, Candice Cerazo. Millbucker, number 14, Sheila Cecilio. Outside hitter, number 15, Kyle Sinday. Millbucker, number 16, Javen Sabas. Starting libero at number 12, Jessie Vinluan. Coaching the Senate Lady Defenders for this match, Jewel Lai. Calling on our Department of Foreign Affairs, Emmy Zaris. Let's start with our middle blocker, number 8, Alex Tangayan. Setter, number 9, DP Babalinas. Opposite hitter, number 12, Jackie Waga. Outside hitter, number 14, Yvonne Reyes. Millbucker and her team captain at number 16, Mitch Olivere. Outside hitter, number 20, Kat Magsumbol. Starting libero at number 3, Jane De Leon. Head coach of the Emmy Zaris, Mr. Ralph Calasin. It's the Lady Defenders versus the Emmy Zaris. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Win and win, win in sports, win for charity. Good luck to both teams.
And we are just about ready to have the first serve of the match. And the DFA, of course, winless so far in 13 games and still winless from last season. So the Senate has not been playing well of late. So they're trying to end their season also, but they have more wins than their opponent here today. Ang bilang ng wins ng Senate ay 4, but they've had 9 losses in the tournament so far. And that first serve is outside. Here's the chase down, and it is tossed over. Here's Lai. Here's the first dump, and it's scored upon quickly.
Nakita mo yun, na she was really just going to put that ball gently across the net because of the form of the hand, at saka malapit kasi sa net yung bola.
And nobody was going to look like nobody was really going to block it.
Yeah.
So Sabas with her first point of the match. Here's Lai with the set. Here's the dump by Magsumbol. One-handed dump over, and it's outside from Babalinas.
No, si Lai of the Senate, talagang iniiba-iba pa niya. Start pa lang ng game, iniiba-iba niya yung distribution ng kanyang set para sa malito yung defense ng DFA.
Faulty pass, it's standing almost like a jump spike from the back, and that is outside as well. And the Senate now has registered 4 straight points.
Yeah, Magsumbol just pushing that ball hard, kaya siya lumabas.
And that's a faulty pass coming from Jackie Luwaga.
And this has really been a challenge for DFA, yung kanilang first ball.
Wala yung dalawang head coaches natin today, no? So their assistants are taking over here. Let's try to listen in.
Isip lang maayos, tubayan yung kamay. Saka alert sa bola. Tuloy lang tayo. Tulungan. Adjust kayo. Yung mga outside nakita nyo na ha, so adjust na sa kabila. Firm yung kamay para hindi dali ng bola, okay? Kaya yan ha? Adjust tayo, adjust. Isip na maganda ha? Magalan lang ha? Habol sa bola po.
Magandang timeout yun eh. initially pa lang, habang hindi pa masyadong malayo, 5 points pa lang, nag-timeout na ang DFA. It's really to stop the momentum of the Senate.
Okay, 5-0 ang score natin. Si Jack Lai ang magsuserve. Pinas, magsambol attacks. Check. Hinabol and still very much alive. Good job by De Leon. Lai. To the back row, too far.
Pero ang ganda nung habol ng DFA, no? Good that they were able to recover. Maganda talaga if you put that ball high so that it gives your teammates time to run after that ball.
Yep. Dili missing out on the pass there. And DFA now has scored 2 straight points.
Yeah, that's a good serve by DP.
Tanner, Pauline, Abalinas, DP. That's out. Good read by Magsambol. And that is now 3 straight points by the DFA.
Yeah, that's something that you want from DFA. No? Humahabol sila, maingay sila sa court. At hindi lang yung players sa court ang maingay, even their teammates sa sideline.
Three serving against 5 here. Looked like a wayward serve, but kept in play. Dili. First strike is too long, and now it's 4 straight points by the DFA.
Yeah, Senate wants to go and hit those hard balls, long balls. Kaya lang nasusobrahan lang eh. Pero magandang target yung end line.
And finally, the serve is out of control. Senate manages to etch another point. It's 6-4. They obtain the serve. It will now be in the hands of number 16. This is Jamin Sabas. De Leon got to it. It becomes a set. Uh-oh. Magsambol fires. Left-handed tap rather. 2 players grapple with it. First long exchange. Lai. That's outside.
Yeah. Ang ganda ng galaw ng dalawang teams. They're trying to really cover their zones. They're talking inside the court.
Yep.
Yun lang nag-outside. Kasi yung shoulders ni Sheila was facing outside kaya lumabas yung bola. Oh. Service error there from the DFA.
Score stands at 7-5. Pabalinas with the set. Lai on the other end. That's still very much in play. Magsambol. Lai resets. That will land in cleanly.
Then a very well-controlled hit there by number 15, si Kyle Sinday.
And Sinday has now made it 8-5. Ira has her first report.
Wala sa Paco Arena ngayong araw si Coach Roger Gorayev and si Coach Clint Malonzo because they are currently in a training camp all the way from Ilocos. So matagal nang inaalala nitong si Coach Roger yung pag-absent niya ngayong araw. 2 games ago, alam na niya na nakaschedule na yon. But there was really nothing that he can do. Kaya manonood na lang daw siya all the way from Ilocos at magme-message na lang daw siya sa group chat nitong Senate Lady Defenders about his final thoughts. Kaya for the head coach's seat, nakaupo dyan si Assistant Coach Jewel Lai and she's very much familiar with the team dahil last season pa lang ay kasali na siya sa kampo ng Senado. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you very much, Ira. And Coach Roger is probably smiling or shaking his head. Either of two things lang yan. 9-6 ang count natin. Dili serve in play. Lai. Good digging by both camps so far. That's a battle at the net. Cecilia has been trying very hard to nail the point, but she touches it last, and the DFA inches in closer onto the Senate.
Yeah, Cecilia was there for that block, but the attack of Reyes came in first. Kaya hindi talaga nabantayan ng block ni Cecilia.
That sails in. Here's Lai. Cecilio gets it to bite.
And this time naman, Reyes was there to block her, but Cecilia saw that Reyes was there, kaya iniwasan niya. Yun, went for the outer arm of Reyes.
Very low dig, Babalinas. And Waga with a shot. Cut.
Nice.
Well done, Sabas nailing it.
Yeah, very good eye there by Sabas. Kita niya, everybody umatras for the defense. So there was a big open zone in front. So doon niya linagay yung bola.
Good serve, it's an ace.
Yeah, a jump serve. Hindi madalas na makakita tayo ng jump serve dito.
Abarrientos will check in, pulling out Waga. Kept in play. Tossed over. Good dig that time by De Leon. Here's the cut shot.
Oh, hindi na-calculate ni Sabas na malapit na siya sa net.
Yes.
There you go. Kaya tumama siya. Sorry, that was Candice pala.
Tangayan will the serve. Both sides trying cut shots at each other. Olivera got to it. Reyes dumped it over. Battle at the net. Lai keeps it in play. Here's a strike. That's going to be inside.
And that's why you want to target the end zone kasi nandun yung deception na it's gonna go outside. But look at where that ball lands. Right on the line.
And the serve belongs to the DFA. Alex Tangayan will continue to serve. Looked long, but it decided to float in freely. And that's a service ace. The DFA knocking at the door here.
Good strong serve there. Hard to control. That was a shank from Cecilio.
Good serve.
Yeah.
Play. And it's beyond control. 1-point lead now by the Senate. And the Senate has decided to talk things over.
So, reset lang tayo ulit. So, move on na agad. First ball ulit, then set. Try natin mag-set up. Medyo nawawala yung atake natin. First ball and atake. Second ball naman, kaya naman na iaangat. So, try lang muna natin tiisin yung first ball. Then, layo tayo. Medyo dumidikit na kanina malayo yung score. Tara! Let's go! Let's go! One! Seven!
Sabi nga ni Coach Lai first ball, kailangan talaga yung first ball mabigay ng maganda sa setter para may options yung setter. Kanina kasi 5-0 and then look at what happened doon, nakahabol ng DFA. DFA naman, napakaganda ng kanilang atake from the service zone. Yun kasi, if you earn a point from the service zone, you actually help your teammates rest for a little bit.
Yeah, and it's good for the soul also because you're able to score points authoritatively. Time. The referee, first referee, is talking to our team captain. That's Oliveri. It's Oliveri. What is the matter? Okay. Sayang, wala yung dalawang masungit na coach.
Nag-e-enjoy si
Hello,
Coach Roger sa Ilocos.
I know, bumabiyahe. Lai. Middle attack. Dilly is there. Lai. That is inside.
Great hit there by Sabas, going for a down-the-line hit. Nobody was home in zone 1. There you go. Good first ball.
The top.
Oh, it's outside.
So Kylie Sindai will continue to serve. Ooh, just barely over the net. Long shot. Lai will set. Middle strike and Magsumbol unable to handle the shot of Sabas.
Pag wala talagang blocker si Sabas, may hirapan yung floor defense kasi mabilis yung bola niya and it's sharp.
We have the first set count at 15-11. Sindai serve. Oliveri got to it. Here's Magsumbol who tosses it over. Sabas sees the open space.
Wala ba, ang ganda ng galaw ng Senate ngayon. The first ball is always given to Lai. She hardly moves in place. Kaya bibigay niya yung bola niya sa mga hitters na alam niyang makakaputos.
Yes. Ira, ano meron?
Team Captain Mitch Oliveri feels very grateful para sa kanyang mga teammates dahil syempre sa oras, dedikasyon at syempre sakripisyo na nilaan ng kanyang mga teammates para sa season na ito. Hindi daw madali na maglaro, lalong-lalo na kung wala silang naiuuwing panalo, pero talagang pinatatag daw talaga sila nitong season na ito because they're still showing up, they're still fighting and playing on to finish the entire season. And syempre wala daw siyang masabi sa kanyang mga teammates dahil binigay daw talaga nila lahat for this season. And she's very proud of the team. Medyo malungkot nga daw talaga sila ngayong araw dahil last game na nila at mamimiss daw nila yung routine na pumupunta sila sa ensayo and they always look forward to the games. Kaya ngayon medyo mawawala daw yung volleyball sa kanila for a short while. Let's listen to the timeout.
Pwede naman daw po, wag lang tatayo si Coach Ben.
Okay. Oh, so, girls, mag-reorganize kayo sa loob, ha? Okay? Usap kayo sa loob. Usap kayo sa loob.
Kami na lang nalapit.
Usap kayo sa loob, girls, ha? Mag-reorg kayo. Kasi isang magandang receive para makapalo, tsaka wag puro dikit sa net ang bigay. Hanggat maaari sa likod nyo ibigay, ha?
Basta lang muna tayo. Si Coach Ben,
Okay.
Coach! Huwag lang tatayo, kami na lang.
Makikita naman yung mamay kapag papalo.
Bawi! DFA!
Napaka-peaceful na mga timeout.
Nakakamiss.
Mahinahon ang usapin. Whatever. Ito. Yeah,
Yeah, I was gonna say, coming from the report of Ira, mahirap kasi talaga to come to a ball game knowing na wala kang panalo, diba? So your confidence level medyo hindi mo alam kung nasaan. Pero ang DFA kasi, they're excited to play today. It's their last game.
I guess they're just happy to be playing the game that they enjoy. You know?
Yeah.
So, they scored that last point. 12-17 is the count. Yvonne Reyes serving. Here's Lai. That's blocked, but kept in play. And mishandled by the DFA. Senate now moves in front 18-12.
And Sabas was able to bring her ball in because there was a gap in between the blockers and the net. Again, first ball ng DFA, medyo problematic pa rin.
Hindi maayos eh. Hindi malinis yung pasa eh.
Oo.
Magsumbol, does she get it? No, she doesn't.
No, it's outside. That was a good hit, good jump. Kaya lang, her shoulders was facing outside, kaya sumunod yung bola.
The set. Magsumbol. Now, better strike, and that's on the ground already.
Yeah, and you could see, no, talagang gusto niyang bumawi from that previous error. Good arm swing there.
She wanted that point.
Yeah.
In any which way. 19-13 count. Lai will punch it over. Oliveri, there's a collision on their side. And they're beaten by the joust in the middle.
You know, Sabas is in front, so kung merong mga misreceived balls like this one, she's there for it. Ready siya.
Sabas serving with a 7-point lead. Better play that time into the empty corner.
Ganda ng target ni Magsumbol, si Sabas. Kasi gusto mong pagurin yung one of the go-to players ng kalaban mo.
Here's Mitch Oliveri, the team captain. And it's out of control and out of reach. Senate now arrives at 21.
Si Cecilio, when she hit that ball, puenesto niya, kita mo kung saan, middle back. So, doon talaga, pwedeng magbanggaan yung bantay ng zone 5 at saka 1.
We have Pangilinan seeing action for the first time. Pulling out Candice Cerezo. The set, Magsumbol hits and connects, makes it 21-15.
Yeah, and Magsumbol showing us na hindi lang siya pang cross court, pwede din siya sa down the line. Look at that hit. No blocker there for her.
They will bring in Santa Maria to serve in place of Magsumbol. Papalinas is the on-court captain.
Oh, what a serve.
Just above the net. Nice pass to the setter. That is rejected and recoiled. Reyes to Santa Maria. Lai runs to it. Di maibaon ni Cecilio. And finally gets one in against Santa Maria and makes it 22-15.
Si Cecilio kasi hindi lang siya tira ng tira Tinitingnan, sumilip siya sa defense. Nakita niya walang tao dun sa zone 1. That was a good stretch by Santa Maria. Kinulang lang.
Middle attack will crawl over. Lai will get to it. And it's a chance ball. Given to the other side. Down the middle we will go. Live, Cecilio. They'll dig it over gently. Second longest rally. And that's missed. That's the right idea though.
Yeah, you gotta like what Lai is doing. Allowing everybody to have a chance to attack. Dinidistribute niya yung kanyang sets.
22-16. Suntok yung serve na yun. De Leon. Ulog. Naging set. Tangayan. Lai. Cecilio. De Leon. Cecilio gets it to catch fire there at the other end.
Si Cecilio parang ang gising niya ngayon Volleyball talaga ang iniisip niya Diba? The adrenaline.
And Viento will come in. as well as, Pantanosas rather, as well as Menchi Tubiera. Tubiera will serve. Their team 2 points away. Reyes. Guy. Good rhythm on that strike, but no production. Santa Maria from the back. Joust. Lai. Pantanosas. That's missed by Reyes. And we arrive at set point.
Pero, alam mo, everybody here in the arena, maingay siya because ang ganda ng takbo nung dalawang teams. They're trying to be as aggressive as they could. And the defense, net defense plays a big role dito sa Senate. Nasa stop nila yung mga advances ng DFA.
Manabong and Adrian to come in for the DFA. Nearly a service ace, but kept in play. That is outside. DFA stays alive.
But you know, nabibigyan kasi nila yung kanyang medal dahil maganda yung first ball. You gotta like how they're doing substitution. Big smiles. Diba?
Wala lang. Alam mo, Ren, mas maigpit ka pa kaysa sa DFA. Passport lang, ngiti ka lang, kukunan ka ng picture, alis ka na. Ikaw, kailangan may entry, exit. 24/17. Alam mo bakit? Kasi sinusulat eh. Kaya matagal, sinusulat. 24. Hindi pa siya digital eh. That'll do it for the first set.
You know, nakapanalo talaga sa Senate in this first set are the controlled hits. They didn't really have those hard hits that earned them the points, but mostly yung mga hulog, yung mga road shots, ayan, yung mga controlled hits.
And we'll have the second set ready for you very shortly. The first set ends at 25-17 for the Senate.
You're still watching the game between the Senate and the DFA. At ito na yung kwento niya. Kita mo yung attack points, 7 points up ang Senate because they had good first balls. Lai had the opportunity to distribute the sets sa middle, sa outside, and they were also able to control their errors. Medyo mataas yung errors ng dalawang teams na to, pero it still helps eh, 'di ba? Kahit na yung 1 point na yun na mababa ka sa errors, malaking bagay na yon. Sometimes the errors is the one that destroys the momentum of the team. Service aces, wala masyadong difference there. But again, the aces, dyan din nakre-create ang momentum ng team. So, in the second match, or rather second set, let's see how DFA is going to recover. Kita natin kanina, di ba, sa set 1, they were having fun. There were a lot of smiles from DFA. Pero yung mga reminders sa kanila, kailangan mag-communicate sila inside the court. O, kita mo yan, sumasayaw pa, right? So, having fun because it's their last. Right.
Last day.
Correct. O, ayan. Kita mo naman ang bench ng Senate.
Ayan, sabay-sabay.
Yes.
Mamaya, mamaya pantropiko. Pantropiko tayo. Sige. Nag-outing ako nung isang araw na master ko yung pantropiko. Okay, so, DFA with the first point. Pero hoping naman na hindi naman sila match straight sets ngayon, ano? Para magtagal din yung araw nila.
Nako, kailan tayo mag-partner, Sir Sev?
Then, oo. Pero alam mo, tingin ko yung PNP, mamaya, hindi 3 sets.
Tingin ko din.
In the meantime, here's the toss over by Magsumbol. Everybody's smiling actually here today.
Yeah.
This first game. In the meantime, it's a double contact.
Miscommunication between the setter and the attacker for the Senate.
The serve is an ace.
See, Jazz Dairo, you know, one of the imports, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Yes.
And the serve in play. It crawls over the net. Magsumbol with a good cut shot.
Kung kanina, yung Senate ang nagbibigay ng mga road hits, soft touches, si Magsumbol nakakita din siya ng butas that needed a soft touch.
And the DFA jumps out in front of the gate of the second set with a 4-0 lead. Tubiera. Dili Tubiera from the back row. Nice slide to the floor that time by De Leon. Tubiera and hits it too strong. And that gives DFA its 5th straight point.
One of the things na nakakatakot sa DFA is when they play with so much smile na nag-e-enjoy lang sila, kaya tuloy yung mga tira nila relaxed.
Tubiera. De Leon. Pabalinas misses, and it's the first point of the Senate.
That was a good idea though, kasi hindi expected yun ng Senate yung 2.
Seemed like a good time to do it.
Yeah.
First set went the way of the Senate, 25-17. Down the lines, serve. Magsumbol changes the direction of that ball. And it's on the ground. Good hit that time. A clean connection by Jeven Sabas.
You know, Sabas was the server, but she also delivered that good attack from the back row. Kita mo si Sabas laging handa.
Sabas now is the leading scorer for the Senate with 9 points. Magsumbol. It becomes a set. Pabalinas. Olivere. And there's a miscue.
Yeah, that was an over-receive from Senate kay Mela.
Mela Cabrera is the libero.
Oo.
Pag ako nakakita na 6'1 na libero, bilib ako. Palagay ko
Baka meron sa VNL.
Baka meron. Yan! It's off Olivere.
And you know, si Oliveri knew that Tubiera was going to be given that ball. Ayan yung setup. Kaya nandun siya for that block. But she was just a little bit far from the net. Kaya napasok ni Tubiera ng maigi yung bola.
Yes. Magsumbol. Sinday wise to it. That is going to work for Menchi Tubiera.
Si Menchi, no, wala siyang approach doon, but gano'n naman talaga kasi ang gitna eh. Wala ka talagang approach dahil mabilis ang bola niyan. She was prepared for that setup.
And it's 4 against 6. Magsumbong shot. Dili had a
Oh,
hand on it.
save.
Good save that time by Candice Cerezo. Here comes Magsumbong. Whips it in, but kept very much in play by Jiven Sabas. Tubiera blasts away. Pabalinas. Magsumbong recycles and scores.
Smart move by Magsumbong. Nakuha niya eh. Nakita niya na yung mga strong hits niya, ready ang floor defense ng Senate for her. So she went for a drop, and sure enough, the ball found the open zone.
Here's the team captain, Mitchell Olivera, all set to serve. Tubiera received and now attacks. Pabalinas. Magsumbong, and it's touched at the very last moment by Felipe.
The thing about Magsumbong is she's also a smart player. She doesn't just hit and ayun, sumilip ulit siya. Tapos nakita niya.
Doon tayo sa likod. Ira, ano meron?
Captain Jamie Dili-Dili used all the ingredients that she knows in order to cook the perfect final steam recipe. So meron siyang great coaching staff. Kompleto naman yung suporta nila para sa kanilang mga imports. Maganda daw yung pinapakita nila tuwing ensayo at meron din silang nakukuhang suporta from the institution. But unfortunately, things turned out differently para dito sa Senado for this season. And para sa kanila, hindi daw talaga sila makapag-gel ng maayos and they're trying to move as one pero hindi daw talaga nila makita yung perfect rhythm for the team. Pero no doubt the dedication was really there for the Senate dahil when they saw the schedule for this season na March to July ang magiging duration ng UVL Season 2, medyo nagdadalawang isip na daw yung team dahil nga maraming mangyayari sa Senado during this period pero gusto daw talaga ng mga players na maglaro. That's why they pushed through for this season. So lahat ng mga na-experience nila for Season 2 gagamitin daw nila to build a stronger Senate team for the upcoming season. Balik sa inyo.
Yep, that's indeed the story of the Senate because if you follow the news, there have been quite a lot of hearings. There's a lot of work in the Senate.
Yes.
Hindi lang nag-a-argue ng mga senador. There's a lot of research and many of these ladies are actually in the offices of the senators. Some of them are abogado.
Right.
Maraming trabaho. So, but for them to have at least 4 wins so far, they're hoping to end the tournament with 5 here today.
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure yung schedule ng training, isa pang pahirapan yun because of the load of work.
Tsaka ang Senate kasi, may odd hours sometimes it ends at night.
Right.
Takitna tayo, that's inside.
Again, if Sabas is in front at maganda ang first ball, mabibigay talaga sa kanya yan. The floor defense really has to be on their toes kasi kung wala kang blocker, mabilis ang pasok ng bola ni Sabas.
Look at this, the DFA with a very rapid start at 5-zip. Suddenly in a close toe-to-toe battle here. That serve is wasted, however, by Tubiera, and the DFA obtains its 10th point.
Oo nga. They have to talk inside the court. Kanina nga nung timeout, sabi, regroup.
And Sabas with a good delivery.
Yeah. Again, the floor defense of DFA, kailangan nababasa na nila yung bola. Patalon pa lang si Sabas because walang blocker eh. Para makaposisyon sila.
And going back to the issue of getting people to work, alam mo, ang ano din ang judiciary, tight din ang schedule.
Oh, for sure.
Can you imagine ang BFP? Isang malaking, wag naman sana, sunog ang mangyari. Mag-iiba ang schedule nila lahat eh.
Yeah.
So everybody in a challenging situation trying to make sports and work combine.
And that's why we appreciate the sacrifice that they put into this league.
That's well said. In the meantime, double contact.
Hindi ho. Ang ibig sabihin nun, hindi kasi sabay tumama yung kamay niya sa bola when she went for that step.
Yeah, it ends up as 2 touches.
Yes.
Dati po, ang tawag dyan, lifting.
Oo.
Lifting. Ngayon, social na siya. Double contact.
Baka madulas na kamay.
Guys,
Let's go, kaya yan. Usap tayo doon.
Alex. Sige, isa pa. Wala nagsasalita.
Okay, guys. Likod pa kayo mga dalawa.
Ganito yun.
Let's go. Wait tayo, isa lang.
You know, for both teams, communication ang main subject. Kailangan nag-uusap inside the court. Kanina, if you saw that, nagsa-sign language yung Senate because nga hindi sila nagsasalita inside the court verbally. So, ayan, sign language na lang sila.
Yan. 11-10 ng Senate and Lamang. They took the first 25-17, hoping to repeat against the DFA. So far, the people from our Department of Foreign Affairs winless in almost now 2 seasons. Nice decision to attack that way. That'll work that time for Jasmine Dairo.
So far, no, yung mga hulog ng DFA is what gives them the points. At maganda rin naman yung target doon ni Dairo between zone 1 and 2.
Tangayan will serve. Sabas got to it. She will strike and then deliver again in the empty middle area.
Ang bilis kasi nung bola niya kaya before the floor defenders knew it, nakapasok na yung bola, naglanding na. Ayun.
Pabalinas. Olivera has to scamper. Tubiera.
Good
De
day.
Leon. That'll work for Cerezo. Back row. Cut shot. Pabalinas. A lot of load up on that one. That's counted. Yep, that's it. That's it.
Nice hit again from Sabas. The height of that set was just perfect for her and that ball hit the line on corner pa ng zone 5. Ganda nung target.
2-point lead by the Senate. Playable. Oh, nice nose. Dolphin dive there.
Yeah.
Pabalinas. Magsumbol. Ow, just long. Just a half a foot outside the end line.
Yeah, the target was also that end line. Kasi yun nga pag na-perfect mo yun, nako, malaking bagay yun. Because again, players would think twice to get that ball.
That one will crawl over the net and Mitchell Olivera gets the point.
And you know, sometimes the players actually practice that, yung pinapatama yung bola sa net, tapos pinapacrawl yung bola over the net.
That's not easy to do.
Yeah.
Parang 60% of the time, re-ricochet off the strap.
Yeah.
Kaya kailangan tama yung strength. Oh! Sabas wanting to play patty cake at the net. Ended up with no playmate.
Oh, she was just late by a tad.
Yep. 1-point lead by the Senate. Nicely done.
Oo. Sabas na tinitingnan niya yung defense ng kalaban. Nakita niya, ayan, walang tao, walang coverage behind the blockers. So, that was a perfect zone for her.
Sabas with 15 points. The only other person who has contributed a little more significantly has been Cecilio with 6 points. Dili makes it a setup. Good hands by Dairo. Olivera gets it to bite.
Ang ganda ng rolled shot there by Olivera. Medyo hinabol niya yung bola, pero nakita niya zone 6 was open.
Saka hindi kamay ang ginamit, pulso, wrist.
Oo.
That will glide in at the last moment.
Good save.
Hits the net, but still playable. Double contact.
Yeah. nagkabanggaan kasi si Olivera at saka si PB kaya hindi niya nakuha yung bola at the same time with both hands.
Senate maintaining a 2-point lead here in the middle portion of set number 2. Oh, inahabol. That is iffy ball.
Yeah.
Heading in or out, but she made contact with it and went for it.
Yeah, kanina pa ginagawa yan ni Magsumbol. At ayun na nga, yan yung mga possible na reaction na makukuha mo.
Yeah, exactly.
Mga puntos na makukuha mo.
And we can now go to Ira.
Sir Seb, a while ago you were talking about the players from the Senate that work under some of our senators at kasama dyan si Mela Cabrera. So she works under the office of Senator Robin Padilla for 2 years already. So when you ask her how Senator Robin Padilla is, sabi niya, the senator is very misunderstood, especially when it comes to social media, being a celebrity and being a and married to a celebrity himself. So sabi niya, some people wonder if he deserves really a seat in the Senate at ang sabi niya, he's a very forward thinker. So yung mga predictions daw nitong senator, sooner or later, it really does happen. And sabi niya talagang he really stands for what he believes in. And at the end of the day, very makabayan daw talaga itong si Senator Robin Padilla. Pero itong si Mela Cabrera, she is the smallest in the team. Hindi nga daw niya alam kung aabot yung height niya ng 5 feet. But she does have the biggest heart para dito sa Senado. Mahilig daw talaga siya sa volleyball. Nag-try out siya para sa UST. Pero masyado daw malayo yung kanyang tinitirhan kaya nagtapos na lang daw siya ng mass communication in Adamson. And she's very passionate about volleyball kaya nung nalaman niya magkakaroon ng team dito, ang Senado sa UVLI agad siyang sumali kahit na alam niya, hindi pa siya sigurado kung aabot yung kanyang height sa 5 feet tall. Balik sa inyo.
Alam mo si Mela Cabrera, ipinapasok yan sa volleyball bag ng team. Pinapasok siya sa loob. Halika na, uwi na tayo. And she's a hard-working libero, and that job she does, not an easy one. And thanks, Ira, for the story. In the meantime, that's dumped over. Nakakahiyaan sa set. Hinataw. Yun! Dairo! Check ball. Good calls by the lines person.
Kita niya that there was going to be a blocker in front of her, kaya na-challenge niya yung blocker. And she aimed the tips of the fingers of Sabas.
I mean, lines people, mga referees din yan, ha? Hindi sila nakuha lang sa isang tabi. Sabi mo lang inside o outside, ha? Nagta-training din yan.
Oo. May exam pa yan.
Kasi nag-alternate sila ng position, eh.
Right.
Depende sa ranking nila. Nice shot by Tangayan. Here is Cabrera. Down the middle we go. Dairo.
Nice.
Well done.
Yeah, smart move by Dairo. Again, alam niya, nandyan si Sabas. Haharangin siya ni Sabas. So, she played with a blocker.
Exactly. And then we will glide into the timeout requested by the Senate.
Sa atake. So, try po natin isipan natin onte, taas-taas lang. Tapos, gawa tayo ng atake. Medyo nabubutas yung natin yung gitna. So, ready na tayo sa mga short ball. Kung sino yung nasa likod, ready na lang tayo sa gitna. Butas yung gitna natin. So, try natin i-cover agad. Reset tayo, then set up tayo. Tara. Hinga kayo malalim. Mahaba pa yan. Mahaba.
Short ball. Isa. One! Sige! So, gitna butas ha. Tara.
Tsaga.
Tayo.
Actually, talaga ang Zone 6 parating butas yan eh. Kasi ang ginagawa ng players, they go around Zone 6 because it's easier to move forward than it is to move backward.
Exactly. So we're close and tight here in the second set. First set again going the way of the Senate with a count of 25-17. And this is the last game for both these teams. So there's a buoyant spirit here today. They'll miss this, and as Ira reported, they'll miss the training. Actually, in practice, yun ang masaya eh.
Oo.
Kasi everybody gets to play, no? Walang nabibench sa training eh. And this is called out.
It's inside. Oh, Oh, it's outside
Called out
center first ref.
called by the other lines judge on the other end. So, tabla-tabla sa 19. Sinday with the serve. Good set. Dairo. Ooh, Menchie's been diving all morning, all afternoon. Dairo dumps it into the empty area.
Ang galing naman ng atake na yon. On to smart move from Dairo. Taking that ball from their setter. Marinig mo mine. Kasi nakita niya hindi handa yung floor defense ng Senate.
At saka si Jasmine Dairo, tinitingnan yung monitor kung maganda yung play niya o hindi. Kanina pa tingin sa monitor. On two. That's Cerezo. Pabalinas. Oliveri ends up very short. We're tied at 20.
Her arm was just a little bit low, kaya hindi pumasok yung bola.
And she was also looking at the spot where she was going to hit it. Ended up losing eye contact with the ball. Here's Felipe and her serve. Pabalinas. Uh-oh. Playable but out of control.
You know, si Sabas, maganda yung mga tira niya kasi she's on top of the ball eh. Pag tinamaan niya.
Sa pool eh.
Oo.
Full contact.
Yes, full contact. That's the term.
21-20, the serve. Abarientos is there. Dairo.
Good dig.
Tobiera is like a tall libero here today, but she ends up very short. We're close and tight, 21 all.
Good serve there.
Aba, regalo yun, ha? Sabas. Sabi ganito na lang. Regalo nga, pero ito inside din eh.
Ganda nung ginawa ng setter. Binalik kay Sabas para makabawi.
In the meantime, we have a change. Magsumbol is going to report back in, pulling out Santa Maria. Kevin Sabas, who has collected 17 points. Deep serve in play. Magsumbol. Felipe. Nicely done. Tubiera handled well. Dairo. Sabas. Lihis yung set. Pabalinas ends up adjusting, ad-libbing. To the back row. De Leon. Magsumbol. Third longest rally. Aba? Todo ambisyon, ha? Galing sa back row. Ito. Out.
May halong, I wanna end this long rally at saka gigil.
Alam mo yung mga long rally, laging error ang ending yan. 90% of the time. DP with a serve. Set by Felipe. Woo! Oliveri got the hand on it. Here comes the final touch. Oh, good dig. Binluan is there in the back row. Open space.
Nicely done by Tubiera. There's that over set. Napunta na yan sa free zone. So Tubiera could hit that ball and will not have a violation.
The DFA wants to freeze the other side. Calls a timeout.
Isa lang. Magandang receive lang. Kapit lang, kapit. Kapit, walang bibitaw. Hanggang last match. Walang bibitaw, ha? Gawin nyo na yung dapat yung gawin sa loob. Okay? Isa lang.
Hindi. Receive chance mo naman. Make sure nyo, cast ball sa akin. Hinatid nyo ng ayos. Yes. Cast ball. Tara. Isa lang.
Ayusin lang receive. Receive na maganda lang. Maganda receive para makasat si DP. Go!
first ball kasi talaga challenging pa rin para sa DFA. Kaya sinabi kanina ni Magsumbol, chance ball na nga lang, nasa shank pa. So kailangan i-control yung first ball, ibigay sa setter. Si PD, Pabalinas, kanina pa siya takbo ng takbo Kaya that's not good if you're a setter kasi, or if you're in the team on the floor with the setter kasi mapapagod yung setter. Pag napagod yung setter, hindi na magiging magandang set niya.
You end up usually ad-libbing, adjusting, trying to adjust para kang piloto. Puro turbulence yung hinaharap mo In the meantime, this serve, Senate 2 points away from taking a 2-0 lead, but Magsumbol will have nothing of it. We're tied and equalized at 23.
And you know, itong si Magsumbol, she had asthma before, pero naayos dahil sa sports. Dahil sa volleyball.
Parang na-outgrow niya, yung system niya. Parang allergy din kuminsan. Depende sa allergy. Nagdoktor-doktoran tayong dalawa rito. In the meantime, back row at work. Tobiera gets it to bite.
Nice strong hit by Tobiera that even if nandun yung block ni Magsumbol, nalihis niya yung bola. Kaya it went off the block.
Senate arrives at set point. Dili-Dili serve. Pabalinas, Magsumbol. Oh, solid hit.
Si Magsumbol, one after the other, strong hits nang binibigay niya. Wala nang hulog-hulog.
Ayaw na niya. Kaya naman niya.
Yes.
Tapla po tayo sa 24, so the DFA saving 1 set point. First to score and lead by 2. It's on the floor. And the set point changes hands. It's in the hands of the DFA. Senate will try to freeze the DFA.
So, labanan natin. Bigay na natin lahat. Kasi kaya pa yan, Kahit dikit, kaya naman natin Nalamangan na natin sila kanina. So, positive tayo. Huwag tayong mag-negative thoughts. Tara, tara.
Let's go, guys!
Peace muna, peace.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Kapit ha. 1, Senate!
Sabi nga ng ating courtside reporter na si Ira, the strongest part of the body is the brain, is the mind. Kaya ang sinasabi dito ni Coach Lai, positive thoughts para paglaro nyo, pagpasok sa court, magandang galaw.
Sige. Susundin ko yan bukas lang umaga. Pag-gising ko.
Positive.
Hindi ko isipin yung mga utang na babayaran.
Wag na.
Huwag na natin bayaran. Wag na.
Yan ang pinaka-okay.
Para naman pwede.
Siyempre, we have to pay our debts.
Here, Unit 303, your electricity has now been, and your water is gone. In the meantime, Magsumbol serving for the set.
Nice.
Yes! Look at this. The DFA has tied it all up at 1 set apiece, and the possibility of an extended match definitely there. So we're at least going 4 sets here, Chiki.
Yeah, DFA, yung galaw nila, very smart moves. Hindi sila puro tira lang ng tira. They watch the floor defense and they check sino ba ang attackers ng Senate and they adjust it.
And we are tied at 1 set apiece. 25-17 in the first for the Senate and 26-24 in a complete reversal. Now nasa set point and Senate, but don't say done until somebody sings. Okay, broken na po ang aming 3-set magic ni Chiki. At what happened there, Chiki?
Okay, so that set ended in 29 minutes, 4 minutes longer than the first set. At ang kwento dyan ay ang service aces. DFA had 3 more than the Senate. More attacks from the DFA, pero 1 point lang naman ang difference nun. Of course, ay naman, no, mas konti ang errors ng Senate pero mas madami yung attacks ng DFA. You know, the thing in that set was yung mga hulog, yung mga road hits, yun yung mga naka-earn ng more points than the attacks. So which means kailangan talaga tinitingnan ng attacker kung saan yung open zones. Kasi it doesn't really matter kung malakas ang ang tira mo, meron namang bantay yung zone na yon, chances are makukuha yung bola mo. But if you target the open zones, which was what the DFA did earlier, makakakuha ka ng puntos that you need to get the win.
Ala, inside, first point belonging to the Senate here. And now Lai will be serving. Here comes Magsambol, Cargado, Sarado.
Alam mo, nangyari yun dahil maganda yung first ball.
Correct.
Look at that first ball. Hindi na umalis sa pwesto si PB, kaya na-set niya ng maganda si Magsumbol.
And the spike was perfect in all aspects plus the set. This serve lands very short. We're now at 2-1 in favor of the Senate. Sets are tied, 1 apiece.
And that's why you don't want your setter tired. Kasi yun yung nangyayari. Nasa-short yung service.
Correct.
Nice.
Nice drop that time by Cecilio.
Yeah, that was a big, strong serve there from Sabas.
Parang football yan eh. You have to protect your goalkeeper, no? You have to work together para hindi siya mabugbog at mapugpog.
Right.
So same thing with your setter. You gotta help the setter by passing the ball correctly off the first pass.
Yes.
Kailangan iabot mo eh. Sabi nga ng mga coaches dyan, inaabot yung bola.
Huwag nang patakbuhin.
Iabot nyo. 3-2 ang score natin. Lamang Senado, Olavere. Lai. Cecilio, may takbong halo. Ala. Matawa si Magsumbol. Sabi niya, ang lambat. Ang lembot.
Medyo nagkagulo ang ang galaw, ang system ng Senate.
Kaya siya natawa eh. Ay, mali. Sabi niya. Ano to? Alam niyang mali eh. Ito adlib eh. Ito, patay yung bola. Ito sa previous play. Lai. Naku, hirap na hirap yung angulo na yun. To be fair to Joan Pangilinan, mahirap yung set na yun.
Mahirap talaga pag halimbawa yung bola malapit sa net. Kailangan mabilis ka kasi.
Very few players like that set which is close to the net. Kaya madalas yan kung yung mga teammates sasabihin sa'yo, layo mo, ilayo mo.
Right.
Tinaas ni Dili-Dili. Ala, umikot ang mundo ni Cecilio. Palo. Ang baon ng palo ni Dairo. Ito. 4th longest rally. Dairo, Piniwa. Oh, well done. Pero yung counter nag-ricochet.
Ang galing naman ng reaction ni Cecilio. Basang-basa niya kung saan pupunta yung bola. That's why she ran and was on time for that attack.
And a good piece of teammanship from Abarientos at the other end. She told her libero who got the first pass cleanly, that's okay. That's okay. You did your job well. Bawi tayo. 5-3 ang bilang natin. Cecilia dancing in the air. Dairo on the floor. That's long. That's really long.
She was out of position kaya she tried to just put that ball over na palakas lang.
Hoping that she will be able to get something out of nothing actually. Set it by 3. Oh, that's tough. Pabalina is trying to be creative. Misses the target. Senate now with a 4-point lead. Alam mo, the DFA, because they won the previous set, they're gambling a little here. Okay, let's try something different. But I don't know if that will be going to be helpful. That's going to be helpful down the road. They're down by 4. That's outside, though. They get some help there.
Si Dairo, pinapanood niya si Cecilio kasi alam niya Cecilio is going to be the hitter this time around.
So correct.
Yan.
Serve. Oh.
Good coverage.
Abarientos kneeling down for it. Live. Hello. De Leon so solid. Gargado. And Dairo gets it to bite.
You know, the key really is to keep that ball alive. Kaya pag mataas yung bolang binigay mo, mas madali para sa setter. Kaya nahabol yun ni PB dahil mataas yung bola.
Abarientos with that punch serve of hers. De Leon stretches for it. Standing spike by Tangayan. Abarientos. Bugsome ball. Good kneel down that time by Cerezo. 5th longest rally. Lai says, tabi dyan. Cecilio.
Nice.
Well done.
Nice. Binabasa talaga ni ayan tumingin ulit siya sa defense. Nasaan ba silang lahat? Naka-atras. So she went for a rolled hit. Puntos.
Yes, Ira.
Isa sa mga pinasasalamatan nitong si Mitch Olivere ay si Coach Ralph Calasin dahil daw kay Coach na ibalik daw yung laro ni Mitch dati. And when you talk to Coach Ralph Calasin, iniiba daw talaga niya yung approach niya when it comes to coaching women dahil strict and firm pa rin daw siya pero sa dulo kailangan daw may halong lambing. And isa sa mga pinaka-importante na naiwan niya para dito sa DFA ay talagang yung pag-iba ng sistema ng DFA. So he is celebrating their small wins. Kasama na din dyan yung pagturo sa DFA kung what volleyball truly is at kung ano talaga yung respeto na dapat ibibigay sa sport. And most importantly, na-develop niya yung fighting spirit nitong DFA dahil kahit malalakas yung mga teams dito sa UVL4 Season 2 ay lumalaban pa rin talaga itong DFA. So a while ago, Coach Ralph Calasin was present here at the Paco Arena but he had to exit dahil may laro din daw siya ngayong araw for the AFP. So right now, let's listen in to the timeout.
Sa loob. Ang bagal ng laro nila kayo. Ang bilis-bilis ng laro nyo. Kaya kayo nag-rattle sila easy lang.
Guys, yung first
Chill
ball,
lang kayo.
ano lang.
Chill.
Huwag niyong bilisan.
natin yung first ball.
Oo, please.
Ano? Medyo ano mo lang. Kasi sa kalawete siya eh. Medyo back. Nahihirapan siya.
Nag-aalangan din ako.
Walang go lang.
Basta recover. Para hindi mabilis yung bola ng first ball.
Niyo yung set. Sabihin mo kung ano yung set. Ha? Okay? Okay, kapit tayo.
Walang yan. Walang yan.
Walang bibitaw kaya
That timeout po is living proof that democracy is alive in the Philippines. Because everybody had something to say and everybody's voice was heard. But let's go back to Ira's report. That's an interesting line on what true volleyball is. Interesting, you know. In this sport, you try for perfection. You want every pass to be exact, but tao lang tayo eh. No? So, you want the first pass to be perfect. But, you know, sa akin, as setter, adjust ka din.
Oo.
Di ba? Kung masama yung first ball, huwag ka na maangal na angal, di ba?
Right.
Ay! Ay, 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 ay. Mintis, uy.
Parang nagkabanggaan yata yung two teammates. Si Reyes, tsaka...
At si Tangayan.
Yes.
Ito mo yung mga magagaling na setter, ano? Si Kim Fajardo at saka si Gia Morado.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Yan ang bola. They adjust.
Correct. The thing about Coach Ralph din kasi, sabi nga, di ba, very strict pero malambing din in the end. Pinapakita niya na they improved a lot throughout the season.
Mali naman pala yung sinabi ko kanina.
Ano?
Mali si Coach Ralph. Kaya ka, hoy, pangitiin nyo naman yung coach nyo. Lagi na lang masungit yan eh. Pero sabi ba naman nila sa coach niya, Coach, gwapo ka pala pag hindi ka masungit eh. Ang gulo talaga ng babae. Naisingit pa nila yan. Ito, 6th longest rally ends in disaster.
Because on the floor now is Yvonne Reyes. So upo muna si Dairo. And that's Yvonne Reyes with that hit. misreceived. So Lai tried to save that ball but she came up short.
Ganda nung timeout na yun, lahat salita.
Oh!
Alas! Alas! And the DFA comes within 5.
Si Tangaya was also had service aces in the previous set.
And her total now is 3 service aces.
There you go.
Kasi malakas talaga mag-serve.
Oo.
Kuminsan nga, sobrang lakas. Doon sa likod pumupunta. Ay! Short si Cecilio. Eto na, 2 straight points by the DFA.
It's also good na yung tina-target niya si Cecilio kasi siya yung go-to player nila. So you want to take her out of the equation.
Okay. Let's see if she does that again.
Tadan!
Oh, maganda yung palo na yan. Sabas, full swing. Excellent swing on that one.
That time around kasi ready na si Cecilio. She knew the ball was gonna go to her. So nabigay niya ng maganda at sa setter kay Lai at maganda rin yung setup tuloy kay Sabas.
We've got Pangilinan all set to serve. Joanne's serve is short. Tuwa ako sa volleyball game. Pag tumataligo tapos magbibigay ng instructions. Dati-dati walang talikuran eh. Harap-harapan. Kaya saka kakusapin mo yung kakampi mo, pupuntahan mo. Ngayon, natalikod pa, nasinyas-sinyasan pa eh. Noon, wala yan.
Yan ang nagde-develop ang volleyball.
Taas mo, patong mo. Ay, yes.
It's very hard na ma-set up mo ng tama habang gumagalaw ka.
Actually, I was about to say the same thing.
Kailangan planted yung feet.
Gusto ng set, very talented setters yung nakakagawa na on the run eh.
Yes.
Na dalawang kamay in perfect position. In the meantime, the Senate beginning to pull away here with a 7-point lead in the third. In the meantime, this play elevated, dumped on 2. Cut shot. Excellent stretch that time. Back row. Hala.
Good save.
Sunto ka na. Dili-dili.
Nice.
Hulog.
Good coverage.
Dili-dili. Standing spike. And that'll do. Ira, ikaw muna before we go anywhere else. Ira.
Itong si Yvonne Reyes, she's already enjoying every minute and every second that she has left dito with the DFA. Dahil after this season, it's already time to think about her future already. Dahil ready na daw siyang magsimula sa kanyang regular na trabaho that will begin in the next few months. Hindi naman daw niya iiwan yung volleyball, pero hindi na daw niya maisasama ang volleyball sa kanyang schedule. At ang kanyang magiging main priority ay yung kanyang regular na trabaho na daw. And mahirap man daw sa kanya, but for her, it's already time to grow up. And para sa kanya, maybe tapos na daw yung time niya para maglaro ng volleyball and already focus on her security and her future as well. Balik sa inyo.
Anong gusto mo, Ira? Umiyak ako? Ha? Kasi sa storya mo, gusto mo umiyak ako? Kasi parang katapusan ng mundo yung kwento mo eh. Hindi naman, parang telenovela. Hindi na magtutuloy si Yvonne sa kanyang gagawin.
Pero speaking of Yvonne, she's the 5th player in service aces as of end of
hindi naman
first round.
Nakakatuwa lang. Ira, alamin mo kung anong trabaho yan for you to say goodbye to volleyball.
It must be really good.
Oo. Baka President of the Philippines yan.
Oo nga.
17-11. Natawa rin si Ira doon sa kalokohan niya. Pero ganun ang buhay, di ba? Make some choices. Ala. Ano nangyari doon? Nako, si Abarientos.
Si Cecilio kasi nga hulog na lang siya ng hulog ngayon eh. Kasi nakikita niya na hindi naman kailangan tamaan ng malakas yung bola eh. Save energy.
Kasi yung palo din yan, medyo na-absorb ng kapila. So, ibahin natin. Gandang palo. Tinaas din magsumbol. Walang buwelo. Lai. Walang chance. Dala yun. Ahoy! Kanayan. Abarrietos. Lai. Boom! Ayaw. Timo, kayang-kaya din yung palo eh.
Correct.
Ito pa. Isa pa. Kayo ha. Kayo. Kayang-kaya pa rin. Magsumbol. Ito, 6th longest rally. Bukas po ang tapos nito. Kumain muna kayo. In the meantime, the set. Buhay pa yan.
Buhay pa rin.
Palo. Back row miss.
Actually, the hit of Tangayan could have gone out already because mataas eh. Mataas niya kinuha and nasa back row na.
Santa Maria will dart back in. Pull out Magsumbol. It's been the familiar pattern of the DFA. Send it by 6. Sets are tied, 1 apiece here. Santa Maria served deep into the back row. Good set. Nicely done.
Yeah. There were blockers in front of Yvonne Reyes. So, pinakitaan niya yung blockers. Ay, isa lang pala. Kayang-kaya niyang iwasan si Cecilio.
Yvonne, with some points to remember here. Oh, Cargado, out of reach. Sabi ni Cecilio, tama na kayo. 19-13 tally here.
Yung mga strong hits kasi na ganun, it's best that you just receive them by just letting them land on your plank, on your arms. Hindi ka na gagalaw kasi kusa na yung magbabounce off your arms.
Nicely done. 2 points in a row for Cecilio. They arrive at 20.
Mabilis yung atake ni Cecilio na wala pa dun yung blocker, napasok na niya yung bola.
Almost regalo yun.
Oo.
20-13 and we've got Dili all set to serve. Jamie serve is short. Cecilio, Santa Maria, Lai.
Oh.
Ala, hindi nakuha yung tamang height.
Yeah, sa side kasi kinuha ni Santa Maria yung tira ni Cecilio. And if it's on the side, wala ka masyadong control.
Correct. DFA wants to huddle up.
Ang mata sa bola, ha? Sabayan nyo ang bola. Sabayan nyo yung block. Pero dapat meron kayong tao sa likod, ha?
Bawal akong mawala ng sistema, guys, ha?
Kuhanin natin yung bola. Itaas ang receive. Kasi mawawala tayo pag puro sa net, ha? Girls, kaya? Mag-ano ka na lang kung hindi kaya. Kung ano yung comfortable, ha? Receive tayo, girls.
Isa lang. One at a time.
Taas ang bola.
Bagalan lang yung first ball para may makatake, ha?
Bagalan.
Ma'am Jane, tulong tayo. Let's go.
Mata sa bola, okay? Focus tayo, focus.
Gepeng! Let's go!
Yun nga, sabi, focus. Tsaka yung naririnig natin, mataas ang bola. Yun nga yung sinasabi natin because even if short yung bola going to the setter, kung mataas, merong time para habulin ng setter yung bola. Tapos masiset up niya yung attacker. Mas mahirap kung mabilis mong binibigay yung bola sa setter mo. Kasi baka ma-double contact pa siya doon.
Slow it down.
Oh, slow it down.
That's an ace. Cecilia with her 3rd ace in the match. 14 points na si Cecilio. Actually, 15.
Sarap panoorin yung mga jump serves niya. Ooh, unfortunately, that went to the net.
Senate with a comfortable 7-point lead at 22-15. Karandang will make her first entry. Cecilio. Set for Reyes. Hesitates. Dumped by Sabas. Yes.
You know, the coverage was there, kaya lang hindi naangat ng mataas ni Abarrientos. Kaya nahirapan yung teammates to run after that ball. Wala nang oras eh.
Senate 2 points away. Taking a 2 to set to 1 lead. Short. And Senate now at set point.
DFA, they have to talk to each other, regroup.
Nangyayari sometimes they fall into the trap kanya-kanya rather than helping each other out, set up the play properly. Good set. Naku, too close pala. Lai. Sabas with a gentle tap. Santa Maria. Cerezo. Olavere. 7th longest rally.
Nice.
Nicely done. Sabas ends the madness.
Yeah, she saw nobody was there. Walang coverage. The blockers were by the net. So that's a big open spot for her.
Senate now with a 2-1 lead in the match, hoping to sew it all up in the upcoming fourth.
We are entering set number 4. This is a match between the Senate Lady Defenders and the DFA Emissaries. The first set, napanalunan niya ng Senate. The second set, DFA. Third set, Senate. At ang kwento ng third set ay ito, attacks. Look at that, 15 to just 4 because talaga nagsastruggle ang DFA sa kanilang first ball. The setter was just running everywhere. Kaya napapagod yung setter. So pagpagod ang setter, hindi na rin nagiging masyadong maganda yung setup niya sa kanyang mga attackers. Service aces, mas madami yung sa Senate by 2 points. Pero malaking bagay din yun because it creates the tempo. It also creates the momentum for the team. Mas madami ang errors ng Senate, mas konti ang sa DFA. Kaya lang na-compensate yun ng number of attacks. So let's see, dito sa set number 4, will Senate get this or magpa-5 sets tayo?
And they're trying to get us everybody who has not played onto the floor already. Like for the Senate number 18, si Steffi Aquino, nandiyan na rin. Number 15, Kylie Sinday has played already but she's still there on the floor. And let's see how this works. Felipe. Pabalinas, magsumbol. Ay, ganda ng habol. Misdirected lang yung pick up that time. Nice effort.
Yung talagang very important na mabasa yung bola kung saan siya pupunta before it goes over the net. Lalo na yung mga rolled shots.
Pabalinas and her serve. Felipe with the set. Oh, well done by the back row. Magsumbol. Tobieres stretches. Sa pool. Pabalinas. Lakas naman ang palo ni Olivera.
Walang wrist action doon. Hindi niya na-flick yung kanyang wrist.
Sabi niya, yun din ang sabi niya.
Pero alam mo, ang laki-laki ng improvement ni Olivera from season 1.
Tapos sabi niya, nag-ano din siya, make effort siya to get fitter. And so I remember Ira with one of her reports on that in the past. 2-1 ang count dito, and we have the Sabas with 24 points so far in the match. Oh, nice. That's an ace. That's her second of the
Yeah.
match.
That's a flat and clean serve from Sabas. Biglang bagsak eh. Oh.
Ganun pa rin. Tingnan mo.
This time, sa sobrang lakas, na shank naman.
Di ba? Nag-ace ka eh. Same thing ang gagawin mo. Senate tiptoes forward with a 4-1 lead here in the fourth.
Nice.
Taas ni Pabalinas. Magsumbol has had enough.
Nice. Yeah. That was a good height of a set for Magsumbol.
At saka almost zero tempo eh. Pinalo ka agad
Palo agad,
at the height of the set. Here's Olivere. Too close. Aquino with the effort to punch it over. Felipe. Biluan. Nice dive by Olivere.
Good reaction.
Ay,
oh! Oh, goodness. Parang napakur sila eh, no? Parang, akala ko kunin mo eh. Yan, yun yung nangyari. Kunin mo na, kunin mo na. Ay, ako na. Ay.
Hindi, nakaharang. Si Felipe was trying to rush and then there was a teammate in front of her but it was a wasted serve. Senate now still at the front by 2. Ito si Kylie Sinden na nakaharang kanina. Kylie serve perfectly.
Oh,
Bawin.
nice. Oh.
Yeah, there's a late entry of the middle blocker for the libero.
Oh.
Rightfully so.
Very important
Yeah.
yun eh, timing.
Yeah, it should be before the serve.
Serve, right.
So it's now 5-4. So good eye by the referee. Tataas. Sayang yung serve ni Kylie because it was an ace actually. Good stretch.
Good dig. Oh! Yun yung mga, sayang yung dig nung yung kakampi mo.
Pero alam mo, when you haven't been playing that long sa floor, ngayon ka palang maglalaro. Aquino has not played a lot.
Malamig eh.
May konting lito eh. Tabla po sa 5. Now the setter has to calm down the team actually. That's inside.
Yeah, that's one of the roles of the setter. Calming the team down, setting them in place.
Dito ka, ha?
Oo.
Una ako, ha?
Giving instructions.
Second ball. Akin yan, ha? Kakaintindihan.
Oo.
Papatayin kita.
Kailangan madaldal yung setter eh.
To that extent.
Oo.
Nakadinig ako ng setter, sasakaling kita pag kinuha mo yung second ball.
Ako, nanunulak lang ako eh.
Nanunulak ka lang. Bait mo naman. Ay, ganda. Nicely done by Menchi Tubiera. Knock, who's there? Wala.
There goes that tip by Menchi. Nobody was home dyan sa zone 4. Walang coverage. Malayo yung coverage kasi akala matindi yung titirahin ni Tubiera.
Deceive.
Yeah.
Good set. Pangayan slaps it over. Menchi tries the second and twice in a row.
Oh, kaya laki ng smile ni Menchi eh.
Sabi niya, ayaw niya, walang tao sa bahay. Delivery po! Delivery po! Wala akong delivery. Sige. Ira, ikaw mag-deliver.
Alright, dahil malungkot kayo dun sa huling report ko, medyo pasahin ko naman kayo for this report. Itong si Jazz Dairo, meron siyang full-time job pero naisisingit niya yung volleyball sa kanyang schedule. So siguro itong setup yung titignan ni Yvonne Reyes para hindi siya mawala sa volleyball at hindi na malungkot itong si Sir Sev. Alright, going back to my report, si Jazz Dairo dahil nga meron siyang full-time job ay kasama sa kanyang work uniform ang magsuot ng high heels. So in their last game, meron siyang work-related injury na natapilok siya kasi hindi siya sanay na maglakad in high heels. Kaya she sat that game out and thankfully for her, mahaba-haba daw yung naging break dahil gusto niya talagang makapaglaro ngayong araw for DFA's last game this season. Balik sa inyo.
And hindi naman talaga napakadali, Ira. No? I mean, we like it. The men like it when the women are in heels. But it's very difficult.
Yeah.
When I was working in Makati, mga kasabay ko sa sa bus, they will naka-shoes na flat eh.
Oo.
Pagdating sa office,
Palit.
papalit.
Oo. Yung iba nga naka-rubber shoes, diba?
Exactly.
Ang hirap kaya maglakad ng heels, in heels.
Maganda ka nga, masakit naman.
Oo.
Ito. Ito, ano yung score natin? 9-8. Ito, lamang ang Senate ng isa.
Yung mga hits talaga na ang target ay end zone. Yan yung mga, maraming nakukuhang puntos.
Yes. Oh! Ilang beses nang nangyari sa Senado yan?
Yeah.
Mga 2-3 beses na naguhulaan kung sino kukuha ng bola. Tablas sa 9.
Nako, galit na galit dyan si Coach Roger. Mabuti na yung magkaumpugan kayo kesa walang kumukuha ng bola.
Senate and the FA have the same number of errors, 26 each. However, that serve out of control, and it's a 1-point lead by the Senate. Cerezo, all set to serve. Pabalinas.
Oh. Yeah, I think...
Yeah, nagkalituhan eh.
So I think malapit sa net yung pagka-set up ni PB para kay Olavere.
Babalik niya kay Olavere. Babalik niya. Ito, loaded shot from Yvonne Reyes.
Yeah, Yvonne Reyes, hindi lang siya lethal sa front, lethal din siya sa back.
Yes, agree. Senate hangs on to a slim 1-point lead.
Nice dig.
Yep, good stretch that time by De Leon. That's loaded. That's perfectly done. Sabas now with 27.
Galing ng ginawa ni Sabas eh. Hinulugan niya muna, nakuha. So she went for a long hit that time because nasa harap pa yung yung libero. Waiting for, the place para ma-cover niya.
Pabalinas. Magsambol with... Oh boy, she missed it.
Medyo sumapit sa net yung kanyang tira, but okay lang.
It still stayed in pala.
Oo, it's inside.
Yeah. But she wasn't happy about it eh, kasi sumabit nga.
Oo.
Short serve.
Oh!
Now Aquino.
Yan yung sinasabi natin, second ball sa setter.
And there, hindi lang usap. You have to shout at each other.
Correct.
Let's listen in.
Tayo inside the court. So, try natin baguhin yung setup. First ball muna. First ball, then try po natin mag-set play. Then, konting DN. Hanap tayo ng butas kasi medyo nababasa yung palo eh. So, hanap po tayo ng butas sa kabila. Yun lang, bawi lang tayo sa first ball. Huwag kayo mapagod sa first ball. First ball lang muna, first ball.
Tumingin kayo sa bola bago tayo magpupunta sa first natin. Pag makita niyong malayo si Marvin, tulungan niyo siya. Kahit sa yung second ball, kung malayo sa kanya yung bola, tulungan niyo siya. Itaas niyo na sa gitna yung ha? Salita kayo, salita, ha?
Bawi! One! Senate!
Yung kaninang nagbungguan kasi, pag hindi sumigaw yung setter ng help o kaya tulong, sa kanya dapat yung bola ngayon.
Yeah.
Cardinal rule yan. Before, ang ginagawa ko, excuse me, ganun ako. Tapos sabay tulak.
Yung setter namin si Coach Louie ay pala. Sisiga, alis dyan!
I love Coach Louie.
Pabalinas. Drop! And... Ball is out. It's out.
Yeah.
No complaints from the Senate. DFA already in the lead. I thought she had it,
nga. Good reaction, kailang outside. Hindi na control.
Nag-aagawan sa bola at Senate dito. Tinaas niya Barrientos. So Barrientos says, get out of the way. Tinaas ni Menchi Tubieras. Felipe makes it a set. The drop. Nice effort by De Leon. Felipe. Uh-oh. 2-point lead by the DFA.
Kaya sa timeout, sinasabi doon, sabi ni Coach Lai, kailangan mag-usap kayo. Usap inside the court.
Papalinas. Sabas uncorks. Tubiera. Felipe. Bababa. Papalinas. Too close. Dump and scored upon by Sabas.
Nicely done by Sabas. Kita mo, she did not take her eyes off the ball. Sinundan niya. Kaya na perfect yung timing niya for that, Mr. Seed.
Sabas with 28. We've got a change in the lineup of the Senate. Sinday is going out, and team captain Jamie Dili returns to the floor. 1 point game. 1 point. Fourth set. Uh-oh. Nagising. Mainit na palo.
Nicely done there. Tignan mo, there goes that setup. Hindi ganun kataas yung bola kasi kilala na nung setter yung kanyang hitter.
Yes, exactly. Tubiera nailing that. We're knotted at 14. Magsumbol. It's handled well. That one isn't.
Nice.
But it's an excellent delivery by Tubiera.
Felipe, kilala niya si Tubiera. Alam niya kung ano yung gustong bola, how to put her in a good position.
Exactly. 3 straight points. 4 straight points by the Senate, rather.
Good save. Oh, but you crossed.
Cross. Jaywalking. 5 straight points. And Dairo will come back in for Reyes. You can see the PNP warming up just behind the DFA line. That should be a good one, the DFA. The AFP against the PNP, and that's on the floor. Senate now pulling away by 3.
You know, it may have nipped the net, but not a problem. If it delivered the point, diba, you'll take it.
5 straight points by the Senate. DFA wants to and has to regroup.
Para makaano si Nikki. Nana, pagkaalangan ka, ilayo mo na lang sa left. Ha? Tanahan naman mga. Sato, tama na yung 8 eh. Kaya mo lang isang pa lang. Tayo pa. Nice, Ma'am Jane. Ganun lang ha. Shoot ka lang. Sa receipt lang. At pag umatras sa sikat, ito na rin mamingas para easy lang. Easy. Let's go, guys. Kaya pa lang. Tatlo lang yan. Isa lang. Oh, guys. Parisimo na kay Mon. DFA!
Babaan mo na ha. Kapitan lang pa pero mag-shoot.
Sabi nga tatlo lang yan. Kayang-kaya. It's just 1 point at a time. So you stick to your system, you talk inside the court, and then have that good first ball delivered to your setter. Parang easier said than done, ano? Paano kung malakas yung yung service? Lalo na pag ang service is from Sabas,
who has played well here today with 4 aces already out of her 29 points. Here's Felipe. And she's floating a lot. Did she get it? Yes, she did in the corner.
Yeah, kita yon sa zone 1. There's that attack. It was well received, but over-received. Tubiera was there for that good setup.
4-point lead by the Senate. Magsumbol. Oh, Binluan bungles it. It's been a while since the DFA has scored, so that's their 15th point. Alavera will be at the service area. Senate getting a freebie here. It's 19-15.
Okay, yan yung mga unforced errors na ayaw mo. Diba? Kasi it just gives a free point for your opponent. Outside, yeah.
And Senate has arrived at point 20. 5-point lead. Sino man manalo rito, isang katerbang batian ito, Ira, pagkatapos ng laro nito. Nice na din pasalamatan. Nice na din na. Diba? Endless yan. Block by Magsumbol.
Magsumbol was ready for Tubiera.
Alam mo, dapat yan, yung mga thank you sa ending, scroll na lang yan eh. Diba? Diba? Scroll, roll graphics. Diba? Santa Maria again replaces Magsumbol, a familiar pattern for the DFA in this game. 4-point lead by the Senate, though. Oh, red hot! Sabas. Alam mo, pag lumundag ka talaga, may problema eh.
Good serve from Santa Maria.
Yeah, mainit yan actually.
Oh, outside.
Now, pag nakaserve ka ng ace na malakas, yung susunod gusto mo ganun kalakas. Kung minsan natin control.
Correct. Kasi you want to have another ace and another ace.
Aquino moves out. Steffi is replaced by Pantanosas. Senate 4 points away from sealing the deal. Good serve. Babalinas. It's blocked. Oh, it stays in.
Yeah, it hit the line.
Dairo had nowhere to go. She was amply covered there.
Yun.
Pantanosa serving. Babalinas. Dairo pushes it back. Sabas. Here comes Cerezo. Babalinas backtracking. Oh, well done by Dairo.
Kita niya, either target the setter or go for that zone in between 1 and 2. Yan yung ginawa niya.
Yan po, kita nyo sa likod nyo na warm up na ang PNP. However, Abarrientos mishandles her serve. Senate 2 points away. Tarandang will return to the match. Pulling out Cerezo.
And now that Tubiera is at the back, Sabas is now in front. And she's the leading scorer. So, kailangan bantayan siya ng PFA.
Exactly. And I think we have a whistle for a timeout. Let's tune in.
Isa-isa lang. Oo, tubig. Alex!
Yes, Ma'am Joy.
Kaya niyo yan. Isa-isa lang.
Receive na lang tayo. Receive na lang. Receive and attack.
Huwag maratel. Simple lang yung kuha ng bola. Huwag na itodo. Ha? Sa akin, ay sasunod ko ba?
Okay.
Kaya pa yan.
Ganun lang dyan.
Receive mo sa likod, ha? Receive. Thank you. Kaya niyo pa yan. O, dahil ito, isa-isa lang. O tayo, girl.
Tara. Let's go. Okay,
I think the timeout was just called para mag-settle down ang DFA. Kasi parang andyan na yung halo ng panic at saka naku matatapos na baka mag-error ako. Hindi na sila nakaka-focus. So that was a good strategic timeout by their sitting coach.
These two teams will no longer move into the playoffs. They're far from the top 4 teams, but they're playing their hearts out here. Want to end their tournament with a win. You'll always remember the last day of the tournament, no matter what happens, especially if you win. Chance now for the Senate to complete the job here with a 2-point lead that is out of control, and a chance for the DFA to knock on the door.
Yeah, that was a good read by Jane De Leon. Yung libero naman yun ng DFA. She let that ball go kasi alam niyang outside na.
Tangayan. Sabas. And we are at match point.
Yan yung pag hindi mo na-block si Sabas, kailangan talaga mabilis ang galaw ng floor defense. Kasi mabilis yung bola niya eh. Oh.
Garandang, however, wastes the serve. Senate saving 1 match point. Santa Maria rather slides out. Magsumbol darts back in. Dairo. Dili got to it.
Oh.
Close to the net actually. Cabrera. Cabrera. And we are done.
You know, si Sabas did a wonderful job para sa Senate. She produced so many points from the service zone as well as the attack line, mapa-front, mapa-back. You could count on her. And of course, the others like Tubiera also contributed well. I'm sure malulungkot itong 2 teams because wala nang training.
Yeah, wala na.
For the meantime.
Volleyball, back to work. That's the 5th win by the Senate in 14 outings. While the unfortunate thing is the DFA is still in search of its first ever win in our tournament. Sino ang best player natin, Chiki?
Of course, he is Sabas.